In this video, we will show you how to unbox and operate your Greenworks 60-volt wet-dry vacuum. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete the assembly. This tool is not included. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the vacuum out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. These items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Assembling the caster wheels. Remove the top cover by lifting the latches on both sides and pulling up. Flip the unit over. Start by removing the pre-installed caster wheel screws. To install the casters, align each caster with its mounting point on the bottom of the tank. Slide it into place, insert the screw, and tighten it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat this process until all 4 casters are securely installed. Step 4. Installing the hose and accessories. To install the hose, align the groove on the hose with the tabs on the inlet port. Insert the locking end of the hose into the collection tank and rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. Once secured, attach your desired accessory to the open end of the hose. Step 5. Installing the accessory holder. Align the accessory holder with the mounting points on the tank and slide it into place. Insert the screws and tighten them securely with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 6. Installing and removing the batteries. In DC mode, 2 batteries must be installed at the same time for the machine to operate. To install the batteries, align the ribs on each battery with the grooves inside the battery compartment and push them in until you hear a click. To remove a battery, press and hold the release button. Then slide the battery out of the compartment. Step 7. Replacing the filter. The unit comes with a filter pre-installed. When it's time to replace it, lift the latches on both sides of the top cover and lift it off. Set it down on its side and remove the filter cap by turning it counterclockwise. Then slide the filter off. Install the new filter by aligning it with the filter cage and sliding it into place. Install the filter cap by turning it clockwise until it's fully tightened. Starting and stopping the vacuum. Before starting, make sure the battery doors are fully closed and locked. Insert the batteries or connect the unit to a power source. Turn the selector switch to the right to operate in DC mode, or to the left to operate in AC mode. Maintenance. When the collection tank is full, turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power source. Remove the top cover assembly and dispose of the contents into an appropriate waste container. Regularly emptying and cleaning the tank and filter will help maintain strong suction performance. Clean the filter regularly to maintain optimal performance. For dry debris, clean the filter outdoors using a small brush or gentle airflow. For wet debris, remove the filter and rinse it and the tank thoroughly with clean water after every use. Always allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling or storing the machine. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.